Good morning once again, grade 3s, grade 4s, sorry.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Yeah,
Fine,
yes,
teacher.
we are doing mathematics. Okay, I have seen Raylin Kien them. Okay, we are doing mathematics and we are still on the topic rounding off to the nearest 1000. Rounding off to the nearest 1000.
One.
Okay, can you write down, Siyabonga, write down. Okay, you have written the topic there. Now we are going to have a number. I'm going to give you a number and we are going to round it off to the nearest 10 first. We are rounding it off to the nearest 10 first, and then we'll move on to the nearest 100, and lastly to the nearest 1000. Okay, so our first number is 3983. 3983.
Teacher,
Miguel, have you copied it? You are
I'm also
done.
done.
Okay, let's wait for Siyabonga. Mel Junior is frozen there. Okay, Mel Junior, are you done? Mel Junior, are you done? Okay, we can't hear him. Siyabonga, are you done there?
Yeah.
And Skanyiso has disappeared. Okay, she's coming back again. Okay, those who are done, Michelle and Miguel, can you take down another number? Take down another number, 1757. 1757, whilst others are finishing the first one.
I'm done, teacher.
Okay, Miguel, you are too fast. Let's hope you didn't make mistakes there. Skanyiso,
yes, teacher.
Skanyiso.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, Skanyiso disappeared again. Okay. Okay, I hope everyone has finished number one now. Can I have the answer for number one? Remember what we discussed yesterday? I said when you are rounding off to the nearest 10, don't touch the thousands, the hundreds there. You are only dealing with the last two numbers, and make sure you identify your tens there, and they are going to be either changed or not changed by the units. And Kien, your spelling for nearest, can you check it? Can you check that spelling? You have been writing it wrongly for days now. Can you check there's something that you are leaving there? Okay, Michelle, I can see. Wait, can you tell us by word of mouth? Michelle, what is your answer? Michelle, tell us the answer for number one.
3983 to the nearest 10 is 3980.
Yes, that's correct. Is that what you got, Siyabonga? Siyabonga, is that what you got?
Yeah.
Yes, you should have written 1,000, right? TH on top of 3 there, here. The first 3, write TH on top, and then write H for hundreds on top of 9, and write T for 8 there, and then 3 on top, units U on top of 3. U on top of 3 there. And then I said, Siyabonga, are you listening?
Yes.
Yes, so I said the thousands, hundreds, don't change them, don't do anything to them, copy them as they are. So which means you are copying 3 and 9 there. Do that, Siyabonga. Copy your 3
Yeah.
and 9. And then we are dealing with the last 2 numbers because that is where we find the tens. Is that so, Siyabonga?
Yes.
Yes, so we are dealing with 83 there. And 8 is representing our tens. And that's, we are rounding off to the nearest 10 there. So it is changed or not changed by the number next to it on its right. And that is the units there. So 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5, so 8 does not change, see ya? So write 8 where you have written your 3 and your 9, write 8 also, and then that 3 becomes a 0. Because when we are rounding off to the nearest 10, I said we should have 1 0 at the end, unless if the 0 was already there on the tens. You get it, Sia?
Yes.
Okay, let's have the answer for number 2. I gave it to Michelle and Miguel. Miguel, what is the answer for number 2?
The answer for number 2 is 1,750. 1,750.
Miguel, that's wrong.
Teacher, yes, teacher.
1,760.
Yes, Kieni, don't raise that paper up if someone is giving an answer, because you are kind of telling them the answer. If there is no one, then you can raise it. Okay, so Miguel, can you take it again? Miguel, can you repeat again?
The answer is 1,760.
Yes, it's 1,760. Mel, did you get the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you another one. Let me give you another one. Okay, let's have number 6, 1,596. 1,596.
Teacher is to the nearest 10.
Yes, to the nearest 10, Mishi.
I'm done.
Okay, let's wait for others. Can you do 1,121, Michelle? 1,121 also. Okay, Raylene is done, Michelle is done, Kieni is done. Who else is done for that number that I gave you? Okay, Miguel is also done. Mel Junior, can you be fast? And also, Siyabonga, we are waiting for you.
Number 2. Number
Yes, it's number 3 according to the sums that I've given you. I was saying number 6 because that's where it is in our textbook. Okay, let's hear from Raylin. Raylin, show us your answer. Raylin and Kien, can you tell mom or grandma to fix your phones so that you can also be able to talk? So that you can also be able to talk. That's not correct, Mr. Raylin there. That's not correct. Okay, Kian and Raylin, did you hear what I said? That tell mommy and grandma to fix your phones so that you can also be able to talk. Yes, that's correct, Kian. That's correct. That's correct. Uh, yes, it is. Michelle, what did you get? For
in
the
number 4, I got. In number 4, I got 1,120.
no, this one for 1,596. What did you get?
No, I got it wrong.
How did you know it was wrong? Read. What did you give her? What did you get there?
I got 1,510.
No. Yes, I knew that this one was going to confuse some of you. Kieni is very clever there. Okay, what did you get, Mel? Can you unmute Mel?
I got 1,510.
Ah. Okay. The answer is 1,600. Why? Because our tens there is 9 and our units is what? 6, and 6 is bigger than 5. So it is going to change that what? That 9 to a 10. So we only write the 0 and we carry over that 1 to 5 and it becomes 6. So that's 1,600. A very good Kien there. You got it right. Okay, now we want to round off to the nearest 100. We are now rounding off to the nearest 100.
100.
Yes. Okay, let's have 3,989. 3,989.
18.
I'm done. Teacher, I'm not confident enough.
Okay.
Confident.
I'm also done.
Miguel is done also. Meryl, you are done. Meryl?
I'm done.
Okay. Siyabonga.
Yes.
Yes, that's why I had said before the lesson, can you please try to work out on those so that you don't get confused? Can you write your symbols on top of your numbers? Write your symbols that this one is standing for units, put a U on top. Can you do that like what I taught you the other time? If we have got 4 figures, it means that the first one there is thousands. So you write your TH, and the next one is H, the next one T, and the next one U. And then if I say round off to the nearest 100, you go and touch your number that is representing hundreds there. Go and touch your number that is representing hundreds, and then look at the next number on its right. Siyabonga. Are you there? What is the next number on your hundreds on the right hand side? Which number is that? From the number I gave you, 3,989. Siyabonga. Have you written it down?
Yes.
Which number is representing hundreds there, Siya?
It's
It's which number? Who can help Siyabonga there? Which number is representing hundreds from the number 3,989 there? Which number? Yes, ma'am.
109.
Is 9, the first 9, because we have got 2 nines there. So the first 9 is the one that is representing hundreds. And then which number is on the right of that first 9, Siyabonga? Which number is on the right side of that first 9?
It's
It's what? The number next to the first 9 on your right, Siyabonga. What is that number?
8.
Yes, it is 8. So is that number equal to 5 or bigger than 5, or it is less than 5?
Bigger than 5.
Yes, very good. It is bigger than 5. So it means it has to change what? That 9 there, that first 9. If we add 1 to that first 9, what is your answer, Sia?
It
It's what? If you add 1 to 9, 9, use your fingers, 9, what is the next number after 9?
10.
Yes, it is 10. So we write 0. We write what, Siyabonga?
There.
0 there, and we carry the 1 to 3 there, and that 3 becomes what? The 3 becomes what? If you add 1 to 3, Siyabonga, what is your answer?
Oh.
Yes, 4. So all those will become zeros. So we can have 4 and 3 zeros there. Is that what you got, Michelle?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Miguel, what did you get? I can't see.
I also got 1.
4,000, not 400. Okay, yes. So that is our answer to the nearest 100. There, Siyabonga, do you get it? Yes,
Yes.
Ken, I can see your answer. Now let's have one more to the nearest 100 before we move on to the nearest 1,000. Okay, let's take 5,025. 5,025. Remember, it's 5025. 5025. 5,025 to the nearest 100 there. Ken, are you already done?
Teacher,
I'm done.
Okay, let's have the answer. Let's have the answer. Kian, can I see your answer? Yes, thank you, Kian. 5,000 there. Because that 2 does not change the 0 there, because it is less than 5. Okay, now to the nearest 1,000, to the nearest 1,000, 1,000, right? 1,873. 1,873 to the nearest 1,000. Sia, touch your number that is representing thousands there. Which number is representing thousands, Sia?
It's
What? 1,873. Sia, which number is representing thousands?
yes, teacher.
I'm done.
Okay. Sia Bong.
I am done.
Which number is representing thousands, Sia?
It's 5,000.
The number I gave you is 1,873. Which one is representing thousands? Yes, Miguel. Miguel.
One is representing the
Yes,
thousand.
Siyabonga, 1 is the one that is representing thousands in that number. And then the number to its right is, what is the number to its right, Michelle?
8.
Yes, 8. And is 8 bigger than 5, less than 5, or equal to 5, Siyabonga?
It's
Huh?
bigger.
Yes, it's bigger.
It's bigger.
So it changes the 1 to a what, Sia? It changes the 1 to what? You are simply adding 1, Siyabonga. 1 plus 1, what is that? Okay, Siyabonga is frozen there. Miguel?
2.
Miguel?
2,000.
Yes. Our answer
2,000.
becomes 2,000. 2 with 3 zeros there at the end. Because we are rounding off to the nearest 1,000, our answer should have 3 zeros there. Okay, now I want you, I'm going to say your work, and I want you to do number 1 to 5 only, because we are going to end up having 15 sums. So what you do is you write
It's 5.
okay, you're frozen, guys. Are you back? Are you back?
Teacher,
Yes.
teacher.
Be quick, it's now time for Shona.
Yes.
Can you
I
tell us?
wanted to say, are we writing practice exercise 5?
Yes, I said number 1 to 5 only. Number 1 to 5, but you are going to end up with 15 sums.
Okay.
You are going to end up with 15 what? Sums. They are 5, but you end up having 15 because first round you write rounding off to the nearest 10. You use number 1 to 5. And then rounding off to the nearest 100, use again the same numbers. Lastly, rounding off to the nearest 1000, and you use the same numbers again, number 1 to 5. You get that? You get that?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.